The disastrous fire in 1999, which damaged several historic buildings, slowed Brotherhood's expansion for several years. In 2005, a new partnership was formed between Cesar Baeza and the families of Luis Chadwick and Pablo Castro, who have deep roots in the famous wine-growing region of Maule Valley in Chile. The new board of directors, led by Chairman Luis Chadwick and a new management team headed by Hernan Donoso, immediately embarked on a massive restoration and renovation program at the Brotherhood Winery. The partnership also reinvigorated an interest in producing quality wines, keeping the winery at the forefront of the New York wine industry. This included equipment upgrades, increased tank capacity, planting of new vines, a new warehouse, and renovation of all facilities, including the catering hall, sales room, gift shop, mansion, and the installation of an 80-kilowatt solar array on the roof of the winery's production facility. The establishment of Vinum Cafe and the restoration of Grand Monarque Hall as a 6,000 square foot catering facility were designed to accommodate a wide variety of events and gatherings. The partners' commitment to improving one of the Hudson Valley's premier wineries and their dedication to the production of a new line of award-winning wines is building Brotherhood Winery's reputation far beyond the American wine market.